Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids! In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a paper utensil holder. So this is a very easy way of making a paper utensil holder and it is useful too. So you can place any spoon or fork inside this while you're eating. So this will keep the utensil you're keeping inside clean and it will not get dirty. So before we start, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. So let's get started. So for this activity, we only need a square piece of paper. So I'm taking orange. You guys can take any color you'd like. It doesn't need any glue or scissors. We only need a square paper. So the first step is that we're supposed to fold the paper in half like this. So now we're supposed to fold it in half one more time like this. So now we're supposed to turn the paper and we're supposed to take the top part and we're supposed to fold it to the bottom. Next we're supposed to take the next part and we are folding it until a little bit to the bottom. We have to repeat the same step and we have to take the other part and we have to fold it like this. So after we get this, we are supposed to turn the paper to the opposite side and we have to fold it in half. Now we are supposed to fold both sides of the paper to the middle line like this. So after we complete this, we are supposed to turn the paper to the opposite side and we have to keep our hand inside to create a hole here. So I'm pressing on it. So now our paper utensil holder is ready. So you can place any utensil you like inside this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!